And please give it up for Amber Chia. Thank you, our beautiful MC, Daphne King and Nigel. Hi, I have a very long speech. Please bear with me. First of all, I would like to thank you to all my VIP guests. Dansri, Wansri, Datin, sponsors, celebrity friends, media friends, parents, kids, friends, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Face of Malaysia 2017 Grand Final. And thank you for being here tonight. Let's find out who will be the next Face of Malaysia tonight. Well, after being in the industry for 19 years, to organize this, always my dream. Because I believe it is important for us to support and give new opportunity for the young generations and also to the industry. 14 years ago, without the gas motor search, I won't be who I am today. To making tonight happen, I have so much to thank. Thank you to all my dear sponsors and each and every one of you here tonight making tonight happen. Wow, I need to borrow your hand to give a round of applause to all my sponsor list below. To our presenter, Grandeur Jewelry. Thank you for the beautiful jewelry. Tonight I bought more than $500,000. What I'm wearing is from Grandeur Jewelry. Are they beautiful? They make me look gorgeous tonight. Korean Model Associations, all the way from Korea. We have our Korean friends here. Annyeonghaseyo, and welcome to Malaysia. Kamsahamnida. Special thanks to Oracle Medical Group, our brand new sponsors, Megastar Ariana, MBTV, official TV partner, Studio V4, our official photography sponsors. All the photo at the backdrop and in the Brooklyn is shot by them. And also our official restaurants, Cafe Inn and also Junwon restaurant, Dr. Suri Jem Kim Che, he's here. Thank you for supporting us. And also our official makeup sponsors, Amber Chia Academy, and using office makeup cosmetic for Makeover Paris. Thank you Winnie and Kremen for making our finalists tonight gorgeous. And also not forgetting a card above, Datin Binilu. Thank you for saying yes. I'm sure she's somewhere around. I see her just now. Thank you Datin Binilu. And of course, our goodie bag, we have a lot of nice shampoo from Denki Mori, our official shampoo sponsors. Sayang Heyo, digital media partner. Light Media, our social media partner. Letup Sejutu, and Retak Sejuta, our online media partner. Korean Style Week, Korean Fashion Week partner, which is that all our winners tonight, they will be doing the show in Seoul, Korea, coming 2018. And also HSC Medical Center, our official healthcare partner. CS Media, our Billboard media partner. Grigosht Vodka, which is what you guys having just now. Our beverage sponsors. The brands always close to my heart, and our office sponsor from Gas. And for the office sponsors tonight, we have swimwear from Gatvin, JW, Urbanish, AK, and Talk. And the designer wear tonight, we have RSVP, which is what I'm wearing now, and Jeep. And also not forgetting the kids model just now. Are they adorable? Yes, because they are all from Amber Chia Academy. I just trying to bring back some credit. Thank you, our kids model. You guys rock the runway, and they will be the next Face of Malaysia in the future. Also, to 10 of my celebrity friends, which is we call it the Face of Malaysia, and also the awards winner tonight for Celebrities of the Year. Thank you so much for coming. I hope the finalists will be like one of you guys here to become the next Face of Malaysia, just like my celebrity here tonight. For singing industry, we have, well, she's my idol, Ning Baizula. She's here. Ning, are you here? Thanks for coming. And in the acting and hosting industry, we have Awa Ashari, Shah Aya, and also Tong Bing Yu. Our MC tonight, Daphne Aikins. Model Aya Rosley, Monica Maria. Our DJ Lingen, Lingen is here as well. And also our social media king, Jordan Yo. I believe most of them, when they start this industry, most of them, the stepping stone is modeling. That's why I organize this. And I hope this will help the finalists to become like that the next phase of Malaysia. To all my clients, friends here tonight, thank you so much. You are important to me. Thank you. Thank you for saying yes when I text you or call you. They never ask me second question. They just appear here and just sit here to support me. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. We need your support though in the entertainment industry and also modeling industry. Without any one of you, this thing won't be happened. We need you all. And I have a few friends wanted a special thanks to. Well, my good friend TK, I think I can give him a title called the best table seller. When I say I organize this, he's the one who helped me to sell most of the table. And my good friend Dr. T here, thank you. And Dr. Cyril Riemann, he's here, thank you. And Dr. Cyril Albert, Dr. Kelvin Tan, he table got champagne. My clients, and many, many more. I cannot thank you enough because it's so many of you here tonight, but each and every one of you are important to me. Thank you. And not forgetting our finalists, parents, the team who worked very hard for making tonight happen. I would like to special thanks to someone special for me, which is my husband, Adrian. You know, you know that I always want to do this, and he's the one who tell me, go, just do it. And he helped me a lot of things. That's why a lot of people say, a successful man behind have a good woman, and a successful woman behind a good man as well. Thank you, my husband, Adrian Rock. I'm not sure where he is, but he's very down profile. Okay. And also, not forgetting my partner, Laura Lee. Kamsahamnida. And also my co-organizer and also my partner Paul Wong from Plan 7, thank you. And also Amateur Academy team. I cannot thank you enough to each and everyone here. And tonight, to make this happen, I really thank you, every one of you, because you all are important. Thank you so much for making my dreams come true. And let's see who will going to be the next phase of Malaysia and who will be going to Korea coming 23rd of June to make Malaysia proud for phase of Asia. Thank you once again to each and every one of you. Terima kasih. Kamsahamnida. Thank you.
And a very big thank you to you, Amber Chia, for making this all possible. When without you, none of us would be standing right here. And next, I'd like to invite Mr. Justin Lee from the Korean Model Association to share with us a few words. Mr. Justin